Just look at how gorgeous these are. Beautiful baby squash from the chef's garden. All right, now, we're not gonna need much for this. You need like some flour, cornmeal, and of course these. I'm gonna be making corn dogs, but with these gorgeous guys. Okay, so I need to go ahead and prepare these guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull out as much moisture as possible. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut each one in half equally. And then we're gonna go ahead and season them with salt to pull out all that moisture. And then we're gonna pat them dry. So first, just cut them all up in half, toss them in a bowl with salt, and then let that sit for about 5 minutes or so, then drain the water, pat it dry. Okay, these are done, they're all patted dry. I have them setting on the side right here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and start my batter. A cup of some fine ground cornmeal, 1 cup all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar. Once I've got all that ready set aside, I'm gonna go ahead and take a small pan, throw in my clarified butter. You can also use any kind of oil if you don't have that. And then add in your minced shallots, cook that off a little bit, and then we're gonna use the blend of the day. Yes, that's right, we're gonna use Mother Plucker. That's really fun to say. We're gonna toss some of that in there. It's gonna add a really nice flavor. Then we'll just toss it into the bowl. And then we're just gonna mix that up until it's nice and smooth. Also forgot to mention, we're gonna add 2.5 cups of buttermilk to that. Mix that up until it's nice and smooth. You can go ahead and take a vessel of some sort that's easy to dip our squash into, or your hot dog if you're doing regular corn dogs. Any like sort of tall glass like this is perfectly fine. So I'm just gonna pour that into there. All right, now to the main part. We're gonna go ahead and take our skewers. You wanna get some bamboo skewers there, about this size right here. These are probably like 4 to 5 inches. So you're gonna take that and you're just gonna run your skewer all along inside of that, all along inside the zucchini. You wanna lay it on a flat surface and sort of just poke it in so you don't stab yourself. You don't wanna do it while holding it in your hand. And of course, just do the same thing if you're gonna make it with hot dogs. You could do this with hot dogs as well, of course. That's the classic way to do it. All right, these are all ready to go. Let's go ahead and throw them into the batter. Okay, so what you wanna do is you wanna take that zucchini, dip it into your cup, give it a couple of shakes, then drop it into your canola oil that is set to about 325 Fahrenheit. Let it cook until golden brown, salt it to taste when it comes out, and there you go. You have a nice zucchini dog. You could do this with hot dogs, of course. It's a classic. Go ahead and do that. And then maybe season it with some more of this Mother Plucker because it's really delicious. Go support my friend Matt. He just teamed up with Spiceology once again to bring y'all this amazing rub. Maybe put some mustard on there. Classic. Some more of that Mother Plucker on there. That's a tasty looking zucchini dog. Okay, this is coming from someone that eats a lot of meat. I love protein, but these veggie dogs right here, these are bomb, whole other level. Thank you so much for watching the video. Go check out Farmer Lee. I'll leave a link down below. You could get some beautiful zucchini like this. Check out our new rubs right here. We got Mother Plucker and 3 others. That'll be down below. Subscribe if you're new here, like the video. I'll see you in the next one.